word that describes a noun. It tells us something more about the noun. Yes or no? Now there is a different kind of adjective. Adjective of quantity. Quantity. Quantity always comes into uncountable nouns. We have done countable and uncountable nouns. Countables are those which you can count on your fingers also. And uncountables are nouns. Those are those you cannot count on your fingers. They are either weight कहते हैं उसको वजन किया जाता है. Yes or no? किलोग्राम्स में होता है, ग्राम्स में होता है, लीटर्स में होता है, डजन्स में होता है. These are uncountable nouns where you cannot count. Okay? So quantity always adjective of quantity means uncountable nouns. For example, she ate little rice. Little हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं. Can you count little? No, you cannot count little. But she had rice. Okay? So this is uncountable noun. Then again, there is enough cloth in the store. Enough word. Little यानी कम. Enough यानी जितनी जरूरत है उतना. ओके? Enough means जितना जरूरत है उतना कपड़ा हमारे स्टोर में है. Enough also you cannot count. Then there is much time for the train to arrive. Much time, much also you cannot count. Okay? So these type of words, they come into the adjective of quantity. It is known as adjective of quantity. Okay? Adjective of quantity. Quantity means हमेशा जो हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं. आइदर उसको वजन किया जाता है, या लीटर्स में होता है, या डजन्स में होता है, या दिस इनफ वर्ड. इनफ वर्ड बेटा ना हम उसको वेट कर सकते हैं ना कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. यस और नो? इनफ जो वर्ड है दैट यू कैन नॉट वेट, उसको वजन नहीं किया जाता है. लिटिल मीन्स यू कम टू नो, आपको देखकर पता चलता है. दीज वर्ड्स लिटिल है, इनफ है, you see that and you come to know that there is little water in the glass. There is enough food for afternoon. दोपहर के लिए खाना sufficient है, बहुत हो गया, 4 लोगों का खाना है. Enough food. There is little water. There is little whatever it is, little sugar. Okay? यानी आपको देख के पता चलता है कि ये थोड़ा सा ही है, उससे काम हमारा चल जाता है. Enough is also the same meaning. Enough means कि इससे हमारा काम चल जाएगा अभी के लिए. Enough of time और enough of food, enough of cloth. Is it clear? So all these words come into the for this kind of quantities. Okay? Now there are again 3 different kinds of quantities: definite, indefinite and distributive. ये सारे numbers के हिसाब से होते हैं. Okay? Now here the underlined words in the above sentences are all adjectives and they answer the question how much. अगर आप इसको क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे ना बेटा, how much, you get the answer little. How much? Enough. How much? Understood? The same manner. Now there are 3 kinds of adjectives, okay, in quantities. Now adjective of numbers or numeral adjectives. मैथ्स में हम नंबर्स को न्यूमरल्स कहते हैं कि नहीं? Numbers or numerals adjectives. Okay? Now adjective of numbers are of 3 kinds: definite numbers, indefinite numbers and distributive numbers. Now definite numbers are which you can count. Okay? Definite numbers are which you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. Okay, indefinite numbers are all of us. We all are going for a picnic. अब all में कितना है ये हमें पता नहीं है. Indefinite. Definite means sure. हमें पता है कि 20 people are coming. Indefinite, you are not sure about. Okay? और numbers में ordinals भी आते हैं. Ordinals are first, second, third. Yes or no? Ordinals सिखाया कि नहीं आप लोगों को मैथ्स में? Ordinals are adjectives of numbers. There are 3 kinds. The first one is definite number adjectives. Okay, where you can count the numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, or first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Ordinals में count कर सकते कि नहीं हम? Yes or no? Now indefinite. The second one is indefinite number adjective. Okay? Indefinite means you are not sure. हम सिर्फ अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं. Okay? For example, you cannot get an exact number, but in definite you get an exact number. आप काउंट कर सकते हो. 100 people are there. आप काउंट कर सकते हो. स्कूल की पिकनिक जा रही है. When you go for picnic, the class teacher counts or no? When you are getting into the bus, बस में जब आप जाते हो तो मैम काउंट करती है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 इतने बच्चे ये बस में है. So many children in that bus. A, B, A1, A2, A3, etc., etc. So that is known as definite number adjective, where you can count whatever noun it is. Okay? Indefinite adjective means it is not the accurate number, not the exact number. आपको फिगर का पता नहीं है. Okay? Where you cannot count also. Okay? For example, all, no, some, all, no, some, any, certain, and several. Now all. We all are going for picnic. टीचर ने अनाउंस किया है that we all are going for picnic. अभी हमें पता नहीं है कि कौन से क्लास के कितने बच्चे आ रहे हैं. Yes or no? So you don't know the exact number, the exact figure. Yes? So all comes into indefinite number adjective. Some. Give me some water. मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि 1 ग्लास या 2 ग्लास. ओके? आई हैव गॉट सम चॉकलेट्स विथ मी. यस और नो? कितने चॉकलेट्स है पता नहीं है, बट मेरे पास कुछ चॉकलेट्स है. सम यानी कुछ. सेवरल. मैंने सेवरल का मीनिंग बताया था. सेवरल मीन्स Many a times I have told you all not to do this or not to repeat the same mistake. Several you cannot count. You are not sure about that word several over there. Several means many a times. कई बार मैंने आपको कहा है कि यही मिस्टेक दोबारा से दोहराना नहीं है. ओके, देन certain यानी particular. ओके, certain time, certain, indefinite, you cannot count that. Okay, so all these words are example for indefinite number adjective जो हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड द थर्ड वन इज distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive, for example, each man, either of you. Okay, for example,
लगा तो नहीं ना? लगा
गिर गए?
नहीं लगा मुझे.
कैसे लगा? क्या लगा?
now see here, each man should take his turn. Each man यानी हर एक आदमी को अपना टर्न लेना है बारी बारी. Every man should do his duty. Every man यानी हर इंसान को अपना ड्यूटी करना है. Either speech was lively. Okay? Either यानी either of you हम बोलते हैं. जैसे आप लोग 2-3 खड़े हैं या आप लोग 2-3 क्या बोलते हैं वो इलेक्शंस के लिए क्लास मॉनिटर के लिए खड़े हैं. Either of you can become a class monitor. Yes or no? Either या आप या वो. Neither. Okay? None of you. None of you means आप में से किसी ने नहीं. So all these words come into distributive numeral adjectives. Okay? Each one of you. जैसे काम बांटा जाता है, yes or no? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना यानी कुछ बांटना, राइट और नो? उसी तरह से each one of you should do your homework daily. Every person should do their work daily. Every person should get a turn daily. Okay? Neither of you have done your work. Either of your work is not been done. Okay? So this also comes in adjective of distributive numeral adjectives.
Ma'am,
okay?
every man should his duty.
Every man should do his duty.
Very do.
Okay, every man should do his duty. Every child should do his or her homework. Yes or no? Every child should do his or her homework. So there are 3 kinds of adjectives also. Yes or no? Okay, that comes in quantities. Quantity means either number में होता है, either weight में होता है. Yes or no? or the distributive like. So the first one is definitive, where you are sure, indefinite, where you are not sure, and distributive means दोनों के बीच में आता है. Everyone, each one of you, either of you, neither. These type of words come into distributive, where your teacher is distributing some work for everybody. There are two boys. I am telling either of you should do the project work. आप दोनों में से कोई एक को प्रोजेक्ट करना है. Understood? Everyone should come to school tomorrow. Compulsory. Okay? So these type of words come into adjective of quantities. Now there are three types of quantities. Definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjectives. Okay? So this is for today.